Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech. Today we're diving into a fun and interesting topic that most of us can relate to: AI assistants. Specifically, we're talking about Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. These three are the most popular virtual assistants out there, but which one is the best? Stick around to find out. Let's start with Siri, Apple's very own AI assistant. Siri was the first AI assistant to hit the mainstream, launching way back in 2011. If you're an Apple fan and use multiple Apple devices, Siri can sync across them seamlessly. But Siri isn't without its flaws. While it's great for Apple users, it doesn't play as nicely with non-Apple devices. Plus, sometimes Siri can be a little limited in understanding more complex requests. Still, if you're deep into the Apple world, Siri is a strong choice. Next up, let's talk about Google Assistant. If you use any Google services like Gmail, Google Maps, or YouTube, you're probably already familiar with Google Assistant. What sets Google Assistant apart is its ability to understand and process natural language. This means you can talk to it almost like you would with a friend, and it usually gets what you mean. Google Assistant is also super smart when it comes to finding information. Need to know the weather, your schedule, or even the answer to a random trivia question? Google Assistant has you covered. Plus, it works across a wide range of devices, not just Android phones. You can find Google Assistant in smart speakers, smart displays, and even some cars. However, one downside is that Google Assistant can sometimes feel a little too integrated into Google's ecosystem. If you're not a big fan of Google having access to all your data, this might be a concern. But if you value an assistant that's smart, fast, and always improving, Google Assistant might be the best pick for you. Last but not least, we have Alexa. Amazon's Alexa has made a huge splash, especially with its Echo devices. Alexa is known for being a great smart home hub. If you have smart lights, smart plugs, or even a smart fridge, Alexa can control them all with just your voice. What's cool about Alexa is how many skills it has. These skills are like apps for Alexa, and there are thousands of them. You can play games, order pizza, and even control your TV with Alexa. It's super customizable, and you can set it up to do a bunch of different things that make your life easier. But Alexa does have a couple of downsides. For one, it doesn't always understand you as well as Google Assistant does. Also, while Alexa works great with Amazon services and smart home devices, it's not as strong when it comes to things like answering questions or handling complex commands. So, which AI assistant is the best? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you're all about Apple products, Siri is probably your best bet. If you want an assistant that's great at answering questions and works well with Google services, Google Assistant is the way to go. And if you're into smart home tech and want a customizable experience, Alexa might be your perfect match. At the end of the day, each of these AI assistants has its strengths and weaknesses. The best one for you depends on what you value most. Are you a smart home enthusiast? A trivia buff? A loyal Apple user? There's an AI assistant out there for you. So, what do you think? Which AI assistant do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.